what you see. Oh, by the vibes that I got, I'm still dreaming from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I came from.
I'm going to teleport over to there.
Over where? To that door right there?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You can wait, hold up, you can't freaking teleport.
Bitch, you watch. You watch.
Alright then. Teleport. Guys, I have no clue. He's not gonna teleport. He's not gonna teleport. Wait, where'd he go? Wait, what the fuck? What is he doing all the way over there? I bet you can't teleport again. Alright, let's see. Wait. What the fuck? Where'd he go? He's not in here. He's not in here. I don't know where he went, guys. I have no clue where he went. Like, I literally have no clue. What the hell? Bro. Wait, you actually can teleport.
Are you sure? And then you teleport.
I teleport. I can't teleport. How do you teleport?
Just like stop the video and then like I teleport behind you.
Oh, you fucked it up.
No.
Alright guys, so I did go to a car meet in Yonkers. So I'm gonna play that clip back for you now. It was at nighttime. There was some muscle cars there. Basically just US cars. Sorry. There was basically just US cars and stuff like that. So it's gonna be pretty cool. I hope you guys like this clip. And well, here we go. What's up guys? Carito. And we got ourselves some new sexy cars. Well, they're not really new, but they're pretty cool classics, and they are Camaro SS and all these sexy ass cars I'll show you. Here we have a sexy Camaro SS right here. With a V8 engine. We have ourselves another Camaro, a 396.
Camaro SS?
These are Camaro SS's right here. My brother. 60 Camaros SS. Awesome cars. And we have here a Celine. And we have a Celine right here. We go around. Check out the Celine, guys. 193. 128, 28, 1. Celine. Pretty quick here. This is awesome. No, it's not a Mustang, it's a Celine. So, happy birthday to my sister. Today, this video is gonna become. This is gonna be uploaded. This is gonna be uploaded on Wednesday. So I was just a happy birthday to her. This is sick though. It's a Mountain Dew. Black label. Here we have a Z28. Here we have the Z06, the Chevrolet Stingray Z06 Spider. Don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it. This is Z06 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Spider here. Looks pretty. Here we have a Camaro SS. Looks as two SS's with a V. They both have V8 engine. It's not the V6s, they're the ones that you always see. Some in the back here. Got a little caddy. ZL427. We have a regular Camaro SS. And here we have a Chevrolet Nava SS. Pretty cool cars. These are all kind of classics and American cars.
What's that?
It's an intake with a heat shield on it.
Because it gets too hot.
Yeah, if that gets too hot, it'll catch on fire and they'll blow up.
So that's what he's got in the box in case if it blows up in the air.
Yeah, because you see that thing could heat up. This thing right here, if it's right next to the intake manifold, so that thing gets really hot, and if that touches that and that gets hot, touches that, or no, that doesn't touch that, but it could carry on from here, and it could touch this, and then it could, and then you know how that's like the fiber, all that fiber could catch on fire, and then it will blow up the car. It's happened before. I've seen it. This is an SS Nava. They're all V8, and they're all V8s. That's a Chevelle. Here we have a Plymouth. That's a sexy Plymouth. And a Charger. This is the Buddha. Nice. Here we have another Camaro, a Z50. Z50 Camaro. Right next to it is a Putty Cat Dodge Challenger. This is the Hellcat. It's not. It's the Hellcat. I don't think you guys can see, but it has the shaker hood, and the Demons come out in September, so that's not coming out until, I don't know, 3-4 months, I guess. I don't know.
Good.
I don't know if you guys can see all right, but it's pretty cool. Camaro's pulling off. Goes the SS. There they go. Some of it didn't sound right, so please comment down below if I was wrong on anything. Just let me know. I really appreciate it. If you guys like the video, please leave us a thumbs up. Please comment if you like, and hit us with a subscribe. You could follow us on our social media. There's a Facebook page, there's Twitter, and there's gonna be a Instagram. So that's 3.
We already have that.
Yeah, I know, but I'm gonna put it like on the description. So leave that. I'm gonna leave that in the description. Please follow us. So go look at our recent video. It's gonna be put with the outro. So please get a look at that. All we're aiming for is 10,000 views. That's our first goal. 10,000 views. That's all we need. So please, guys, if you guys would like to share, please share the videos, all our videos, and just spread the word a little bit. You guys don't have to subscribe if you don't want to, but you can subscribe if you would like. All we're aiming for is 10,000 views just to get our monetization, and then we could start with the subscribes. So again, happy birthday to my sister. She's turning 7 today, and I hope you guys have a good day. So peace.
These moments fall back into place. All I wanna do is to make you stop and love me. How can I be blue when you catch me in this endless night? I do need you, I do, I love, I do.